Welcome to my channel. This is Beauty on the Go with Sherese. So today I'm going to show you guys how to install clip-ins. Yes, it's going to be simple and straight to the point. I'm telling you, no chasers, none of that. I'm going to show you a different way to style them, you know, something simple and straight to the point. So make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so that way you can get more great videos. So Beauty on the Go with Sherese. Let's go. These clip-ins are Remy hair. They're jerry curl. They're like a 3C, 3B texture, and it's 18 inches long. This is my braid pattern. I have hair out in the front, and I have 4 big braids in the back. I'm going to start with 3 clip-ins. I'm going to start off inserting the clip-ins in the braids. I'm going to start from the bottom, and I'm going to work my way up. You're going to need 2 packs of these clip-ins. They come with 7 clip-ins, but you need 2, so it would be 14 in all, and that will cover your whole head. Now it's time to blend my hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my spray bottle, wet my hair down so that way my hair can blend right along with the clip-ins. Watch me work. Now I'm going to use my wide tooth comb and comb out my curls so that way the hair can look big and beautiful.